Shiloh, what are you doing?
I'm getting ready for the Tough Mudder. And there's no way I'm gonna be able to do this. I can barely lift up these bottles of essential oil.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going with this Persevere Roll-on.
All right, let's see what's in it.
For this recipe, you'll need a 10 milliliter roll-on. Our subscribers got this in their big bonus box.
6 of them.
And you'll also need 3 drops of our energy blend and 3 drops of our Cypress essential oil. You'll also need 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. So for your roll-on, you'll need to pull this out. I will persevere.
Ta-da!
So for this, we'll add the 3 drops of Cypress. I'll let you do the honors so that you will be as strong as a cypress. Next, you need 3 drops of energy boost to boost you through your race. Then you can give those oils a quick little swirl to get them mixed. And then you'll fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And the fractionated coconut oil dilutes the oils to make them safe to use on your skin. Otherwise, they might be irritating. Beautiful. All right, so once that's filled up, we'll put the roller back on. And we can shake it around a little bit more to make sure that the fractionated coconut oil and essential oil are mixed. Someone's excited to persevere. I'm ready. All right, so what do you think?
Smells really nice.
Smells good. It's energizing and uplifting and calming to help you get through and get your race done, I guess. Or whatever you're trying to persevere through right now. Maybe you're going through a difficult season of life. This roll-on can help you through it. So make sure you label it, and then it's ready to go.
Perfect.
And you'll be the toughest mudder out there.
All right. I'm Shyla.
And I'm Katie. We're certified aromatherapists from Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
Make sure you go to our website and check out our blog. We have all kinds of fun recipes and information on there for you.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.